What's up guys, I'm Waqzite and welcome back to Waqzite. In today's video, we will be creating this kind of photo effect inside of Photoshop. If you don't want to follow this complete tutorial, you can download the project file or template by clicking on the link in the video's description absolutely for free. Otherwise, let's jump to the video and get started. Okay, first of all, unlock this background layer by clicking on this lock icon and convert the layer into a smart object. Create a black and white adjustment layer. Now create a threshold adjustment layer. Adjust this slider according to your need. Now to colorize it, let's create new gradient map adjustment layer. Check this option and click on the gradient. You can change this color just like this. Choose a color and then hit OK. Now it is done. You can also change the image by double clicking on this layer. Here you can replace your image and close the document and save it. And it will do everything for you. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Also ring the bell icon so you won't miss my future tutorial. I will be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.